In this lecture, we are going to go over Dijkstra's algorithm. Dijkstra's algorithm is used to find the shortest path between nodes in a graph, which may represent, for an example, something like a road network. So let's build us out a simple graph here. So we'll have node 1, 2, 3, and 4. And we'll connect 1 and 2 with 6, 2 and 3 with 3, 1 and 4 with 1, or 3 and 4 with 1, and 1 and 4 with 1, and we will connect 1 and 3 with 4. So let's say we want to start out at node 1. So we will say our starting vertex is 1, and we want to find the shortest path to 3. And well, this might be something that, we obviously already kind of know how to do just by looking at it, but let's walk through it just to see what we can do for us to get to 3. Well, if we start at 1, we see that we can go, and let's say we'll have paths here. So we start at 1. Let's say we go 1, 2 to 3. So 1, 2, 3. Well, that would be 6 plus 3, so our total weight for that would be 9. Let's say we went 1, 4 to 3. That would be 2. And then the other one is 1 to 3. Well, that would be 4. So obviously our answer to this would be 2. Well, what if we wanted to go 1 to 2? So we could go 1, 2, and that would equal 6. We could go 1 to 4, 1 to 4, and that equals 1. And then we can go 4 to 3, and that equals 1. And then we can go 3 to 2, and that equals 3. So then we would be 3 plus 1 plus 1, and that equals 5. Our other option would be 1 to 3, and that equals 4, and then 3 to 2, and that equals 3, which equals 7. So we know that 1 and 2 are out, and now 1, 3, 2 is out. So our shortest path for 1 to 2, so from 1 to 2, our shortest path would be to 1, 4, 3, 2. So that's basically how Dijkstra's algorithm works. We are evaluating the weight of the edges between all the nodes, and we are going to evaluate all the possible paths that we can have and determine which one has the lowest weight, and that'll be the most efficient path for us to take. So in the next lecture, we're going to see what it looks like to implement Dijkstra's algorithm and then run some test cases so that we can see it working in action. If you have any questions about Dijkstra's algorithm and how it works, please feel free to ask me in the Q&A section.